concerning the brand is saying seeding in some neighbor I believe so for now. And can you make a living in the you will be heavy. One now Musimaja MPP, Makotimo party. It can be body and the hopes in what they can you marry and a found home pain.
Also, I'm free advice. The moon we need 2028.
Hopeson advice. Say Hopeson will advice beyond on farmer or movement for change. No money very strong force because check them put your 2024. Check that on elections that I said the only party structures in Puana only agent across the country can ABT or more in this election. So sometimes
and then all right, so we have for Michelle Bibi, I'm a Dindi no go artist. Aha, Gana Sub TV, myself, so best subscribe to the channel. No, now for what you in our comment section, Ebusia for Honorable Hopeson Adorye is in the very big mess. Honorable Hopeson Adorye, what now see? Winning NPP funding she you were ungrateful to the NPP party. I said was with the NPP party. Into who advice now would the fine. Advice. Can't you keep? Why don't you give that advice to your party, the Butterfly Party? See the bay to me winning at least 5% vote in the election. More politics, more check. You couldn't even get 5% of the election vote. Ube advice here. I was for my Oxford, I can't share Hopeson Adorye that you buy a better.
I get you, but Hopeson to Osman. The only other my Hopeson because about me, they own to me, baby. Quickly, more for your man.
This is the
I'm doing 2032, but I no crown so I am on a mubenya. But this election is not about me. The
that's the brown say Hopeson or buy some more kind no. Who said, oh, we be ordering some neko. And me person me can't say me say, you're afraid to be political brand hates. And on a Hopeson and what the new patriotic party now because there is change in ideologies. That is the reason. And as a result of that, the communication behind it a negative word of mouth about the new patriotic party. And yes, sir, me person make sure say free or can't say you can't say negative members, or defining negative members wrongly. For negative members of any political party, and just say obi o ebasabasa there be. It just obi a sebi odin papa emu eba party mu. Obi a sebi onye discipline. Obi a sebi nensem kika o party mu no egu party ni efin. Any negative member, and they see MP. Sebi, we know what politics is about numbers. It's here a dom. Name a dom of our fixed the MP. Namin concern maybe so concerning the brand is saying seeding in some neighbor. I believe so for now. And can you make a living in the you will be heavy. One now Musimaja MPP, Makotimo party. It can be body and the hopes in what they can you marry and a found home pain.
Also, I'm free advice. The moon we need 2028.
Hopeson advice. Say Hopeson will advice beyond on farmer or movement for change. No money very strong force because check them put your 2024. Check that on elections that I said the only party structures in Puana only agent across the country can ABT or more in this election. So sometimes
and then 38, Anonymous 38. Me say anonymous 38%.
Of respect. We are not kids in this country to sit here and throw out words and expect say we'll just keep quiet like that. Option, you best really do so. So what that NPP we wish say we reapply na kawaba. Now ma.
If you me bow. Osman tiwe. One kind this yasem. What makes you? No. What makes you have the authority to talk about NDC, but I don't have authority to talk about MPP? Please, you should stop saying that. We are doing politics and we are in democracy. Don't tell me say I should not talk about MPP.
Your party say, "Oh, and I will say,
me say, Monisa 2 minutes of the catcher me say, me mean to be MPP asem. It is non-starter.
Suggest to you, but opa
me say, and you non-starter. Man is suggested, man is suggested.
But so what so yes,
Me say it is a non-starter because who know to be can this yourself? Who to be can this yourself? No be to be can be yourself. The cheap of it. The cheap of it.
Manila near baby or can see. Also, woman and in Canam, Muntima hopes and
Make can be yourself with the Pia. Make can be yourself.
Who are a foot to be a sister here? Medical can send me to say, ye quite internal elections are home. Ye to Bani we are, Ubia when the constituency within the party. Put him here. The challenger Hopeson and then the party phoning within the NPP is said. Omu constituency na komu established within the NPP no. Ekwe kitwebi. It's the idea and say we will leave and destroy the party. So today they give themselves credit. So omu come into lose 2024 elections.
And we are happy about that.
Oh, Hopeson, don't do this.
I say that I see money
Listen, we are happy about that.
You see, I'm a researcher. I'm a researcher, and I like sometimes challenging myself. So, would you be said, who one in the car, maybe 1 man year?
And then there's water.
There's scientific analysis about these issues. And I make us a cheddar, maybe cheddar in front of him. If cheddar had more vote than Alan now, maybe what is the significance of Alan? Please don't get me wrong. In our Ghanaian politics, in terms of numbers, what is the significance there? It hopes in some for me party in the year and but what is important tonight is host in the can Zambia, this the fear. My name said I prefer Brenano, it was so more.
It's a better address about me. I say 2028 or some more winning.
This the fear, me say 2024 Abana Airport one. The dynamics are far different from 2028 Abano. The dynamics are far different from 2024 elections. Say tribal cards ever play any role, and I say we free and we free play role no. When we get to 2028 and a better. But for now, we the New Patriotic Party no, we know sir, we've gone through these processes before. We've lost elections before. We've boycotted national elections before, and we've come back stronger. This is the fear. This defeat that you go through 2024 no, a defeat. It's a learning process for the New Patriotic Party. We've learned our lessons from it. But let nobody, let me state it here tonight. Let nobody deceive himself, say, or no man New Patriotic Party, and lose 2024 elections. Messing who enumerate. I'm saying this on authority. Because this is it is a fallacy. Madame Rebecca said a fictitious narrative. This is the fear. So the reality and the issues on ground is that the New Patriotic Party will be electing a leader. And we're going to elect Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Hopeson, Obetimi Akwako, Akansem Bonnie, be prefer the New Patriotic Party. And I've given you the premises into Oyesa. Your father no political brand hate. And the reasons is that today we have ideological incompatibility. And as a result of that, everything Hopeson says about the New Patriotic Party is in negative form. We don't have any problem with Hopeson. Hopeson, you can continue on this path. See, Hopeson, you are not God. We've had people telling President Akufo-Addo, this is the fear. Okay, 2012. President Akufo-Addo was internal contest a year ago. Yekofa Bronifite be free, Bruchire Baye. Emma, by research, our Ghana, Ghana, phone, I said, Akufo-Addo can never be president. Okay, it's our story now. Okay. It could be a saying.
That's why I have hopes in Castle.
Platforms. Alan Tremase to for Bronifita 2012, the neighbor Ghana have a research said Nanado and your president. And I remember by then I was in Kumasi, Alan campaigners in Kumasi on radio stations. Omu Jaya Sumusa. 2016 president who was the president of Ghana. And Hopeson, let me tell you something.
2012, I throw no wood, you know. I throw an wood, you know. 2012.
2012,
me say 2012 as someone okay, I throw no wood. I am putting it to him. I like a Fabio defeated to him about 2012.
It's me catch Hopeson and you may say, I know a map for the New Patriotic Party, no, or one vote. And then as medical establish a no, impact. See, this is the impact in our Ghanaian politics, you know.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Now we better and the hey Hopeson, who a foot to Alan, no mayor president, but enumerate Messebium, some voice in the course of for Fanchami. What is important in the set, Yakotuaba, the best Ghana for you. What is important is that we went through an election, sir. Context now, within that context, it was very difficult for the New Patriotic Party to win 2024 elections. It was so difficult. Take about winners about one. Challenges na ye woman na doors we do admit. And I'm looking ye presidential candidate. We will go out there and also talk to the good people of this country. We will make admissions to some of the wrongs of our friends and former government, and plead with Ghanaians. Say, Boni bi na ye ya monfa ncha yen. But to sit here and tell Hopeson with Obina can say analysis of from head to toe, I was not getting it. To be very honest, but truly for the sake of saying communication purposes, we have to listen to each other on this platform. But the truth is that Hopeson will not determine the fortunes of the NPP. He don't have the power to do that. If he has any power, I'm throwing the challenge to Hopeson tonight. Hopeson made me free when you with your crew, so Hopeson, I will to me be so with my political party before to see on Fama Alan no president. I think that is all Alan has dreamt about to be president. Hopeson, please, if you have any power whatsoever, please grant the childhood dream of Chief Alan, let him be president of this country.
Osman, because no one can say 2032 so he has already started that process. Anything we have saw the source and I'm for joining because